Good morning, teacher. My name is Henry Alberto Cardona Giraldo. I am 22 years old. I am in the Industrial Engineer program. A Christmas I was spent time with my mother family. We loved playing game and told jokes. The main dish of my region is chicken stew. The ingredients are 1 uni chicken or your ham, 4 uni large patatas peeling and chopped, 2 uni or green banana chopped by hand not very small, 1 uni of yuca cut and peel it, 1 unit of vanilla chopped onion diced tomato, 1 chicken bouillon cut unite, 1 tablespoon of saffron or dill, 1 handful of parsley, 1 bush of cilantro, 1 packet of picada, 1 pinch of salt to taste it, 1 scoop of striped potato and yuca. Preparation. First, boil the water with the chicken or ham. Second, add the plantain, the yuca and the chicken soup. Then, when the chicken is ready, add the potato and the other ingredients. Next, all the ingredients must be boiling for about 20. I invite you to try this delicious dish from my region. Thank you.